In front of me is ARCHOS Access 57, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound. So first of all, you have to open your phone dialer, then tap on the more icon and select call settings. Here you should scroll down and pick call and accounts, click on Virgin Mobile, and now select voicemail. Here go to notifications, and now by tapping on the sound you will be able to change the sound. So let me pick custom ringtones, and here you've got all the options. Let me show you all of them, then you will be able to pick the one that you like the most. So let's start with Addicted Tonight. Just volume it up as our device is muted. Okay, and now it should work. This one is super soft. Then just choose the one that you like the most, so let me pick for example this one. And then click on OK to select it. And that's it. As you can see, voicemail notification sound has been changed. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.